Stacy?
I'm over here. She'll never find me here.
Oh, I can't take this anymore. Ah! Found you!
Huh? You cheated.
No, I didn't.
You can't do that. You need to have your blindfold on.
It is on. I had it on the whole time.
No, you didn't. I saw you.
What?
Hey, what's going on here? She's a cheater.
She's a sore loser.
Enough. I know how we can settle this. A challenge.
A challenge?
Yup. Welcome to the 5 Senses Food Challenge.
Wow.
Here's how the game works. You spin the wheel, and whatever you land on determines the challenge for that round. Lily, you can go first.
Oh, I wanted to go first. Here we go.
Nice. This next round is gonna stink. Literally.
Huh? Oh.
What? This is a Stinky Cheese round. And Lily, since you landed on the nose, you get to keep your sense of smell. Huh? What does that mean for me then? That means you get the nose plugs. Huh? Okay. Oh, I can't smell. All right, Lily, you eat first.
Oh, it really stinks. I can't eat it.
Okay, I guess you don't get a point this round. Stacy, it's your turn.
Ah, this will be easy.
It's not that bad. Good job, Stacy. You win this round. Okay, your turn to spin.
Yay!
Ooh, this challenge is gonna be fun. You guys want a drink?
Yeah!
You have 3 bottles in front of you, and you have to figure out which one has soda. And Stacy, since you spun, you get to keep your sense of hearing. Huh? Oh! And Lily, you have to put these sound blockers on.
Alright, this is gonna be so easy!
Not so fast. You only get to keep your hearing, so you gotta put on these sense blockers. Huh? Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Did you say go?
Go!
How am I supposed to do this? They all look the same.
No sight, no smell, no worries. I can do this. I just gotta see which one makes sound. Oh, that's not it. Okay, 1 minute left.
Huh?
Oh, hopefully this is it. Oh, this is it. I found it. This is the soda. Good job, Stacy. Come on, Lily. Only 30 seconds left.
Huh?
30 seconds left.
Okay. What am I supposed to do? I have my sense of taste. Not this one. Not this one. It must be this one. I found it.
Congratulations, you both win this round.
Yay!
Lily, now it's your turn to spin.
Huh? What's player's choice?
For this round, you get to pick which food you want.
Oh, yay!
Oh, you should pick pizza.
No, I'm gonna choose candy.
You want candy? You get candy. What? This is it?
It's still free candy.
For this challenge, you have to figure out which candy is which flavor.
Oh, this will be easy.
Not so fast. Stacy, you get to use all your senses except taste.
What does that mean for me?
That means you get to use your taste, but you have to wear sense blockers. Ready? Go!
What do I do? They don't smell like anything. I think this might be cherry. Fruit punch, strawberry, watermelon, and cherry.
Nice, Lily. Okay, Stacy, do you have your answers?
I think this is fruit punch, but I don't know what these are. I give up.
Okay, but that means Lily wins this round.
Yay!
Okay, Stacy, spin the wheel.
Oh, fine. Question mark?
What does that mean? This is the mystery round where you have to figure out which one is spicy.
Whoa! Huh?
But you have to do it blindfolded.
This tastes like lobster. I want to try. It smells like beef. It tastes like beef, but it's not spicy. I hope it's this one. Spicy! Alright. It doesn't smell spicy.
one on to the next round. All right, Lily, spin that wheel. This next round is gonna be crispy.
What does that mean?
Never mind.
Whoa!
For this round, you have to figure out which one is the Rice Krispie and which one is the Rice Treat, using only your hands.
Only my hands? This one's sticky and this one's not.
This one bends and... Oh, that one broke easily.
I think this one's it?
Crispy. Rice Krispie. So this has to be it.
Okay, take off your blindfolds.
Yay!
Aww.
Great job, Lily. You win this round.
Yes!
For this next round, Stacy gets to spin the wheel.
All right.
For this round, you guys are eating SpaghettiOs.
Ooh.
And Stacy, since you spun, you can't use your hands.
What? That's not fair.
And Lily, you can use your hands.
Yay, can I have a fork?
What?
All right, first one to finish wins. Go!
I got this.
I have to win.
Don't you love how round SpaghettiOs are?
Almost done.
She's almost done!
I'm done.
All right, Stacy's the winner of this round.
Yes!
For this final round, Lily gets to spin. Now it's time for Guess That Food. With only your sense of smell, you have to figure out what the food is. Now put on your blindfolds. This one is gonna be tough.
Oh, what is that?
That smells weird, but kind of familiar.
I really don't know what this could be.
I know the smell, but I can't remember the name right now.
It smells like gym sauce.
Wait, gin sauce? I know what this is. It's durian, right?
Wow, good job, Stacy. You're correct. All right, Stacy, you win this round, and you also win the challenge.
Yes! See, cheaters never win.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!